morning, guys. Happy Saturday. I want to go through my weekly analysis going into next week. Last week I was pretty spot on for the most part of what I thought we were going to do. I did get the days wrong, unfortunately, but it is what it is. I was expecting the beginning of the week to be more bullish. That was not the case. We were pretty bearish up until Friday. Friday we had a nice almost 1.5% day on the indices. NQ did take out last Friday's low, while ES did not. So we do have some bullish divergence here. NQ is still holding this weekly fair value gap, and we are still we got to include that volume imbalance. So we still have this volume. We bounced near this volume imbalance and this tiny fair value gap. We're holding this weekly fair value gap. And like I said before, we do have this bullish divergence here on the indices. So I am a little bit bullish coming into next week. We have that divergence here. We did get a shift in structure here. We do have this untapped 4-hour fair value gap. We do have a 4-hour bullish imbalance. So I do think we will go into and test these bearish fair value gaps. Definitely this one, I think we will we will get more of an idea of what's going to happen at this fair value gap. I don't really necessarily think we're going to come up and take out these highs. I think we will test this fair value gap, and I think we end up breaking through it, to be honest with you. And I do think we come out and take out these highs here back into this fair value gap, and then I think we will take out these relative equal lows here. So we have relative equal lows on the Nasdaq here, and then ES we still have these lows. So I do think maybe not next week, but the following week I do think we end up taking out these lows and then heading lower to test that. And then maybe end of Q1 we come back down to this fair value gap, but I do think we end up taking these lows in the next week or so. We do have a bunch of news, and we also have the new administration coming in. We do have PMIs Monday, Tuesday, non-farm payroll, unemployment, FOMC minutes on Wednesdays, and then Thursdays, nothing crazy, but we do have a bunch of yellow folder news. And then Friday we have unemployment and whatnot. So it'll definitely be a volatile week. Please be careful. Don't want to be blowing accounts on this volatility. Don't over leverage yourself. But yeah, I do think we're going to end up coming up into this fair value gap and then possibly taking out these highs. If we take out these highs, I'll be more confident that we'll come back and take out these lows. So I am bullish going into the week. We'll see what happens. I thought my analysis was pretty good last week. So yeah, that's my analysis for this upcoming week. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if there's anything that you want me to make videos on, or if there's anything that I'm not making clear, I'm still new at this. I'm not good or anything like that. I'm still learning. I'm getting better every single day. And I hope that if there's somebody out there watching this, I hope this helps you. Because I think at the end of the day, everybody just wants to become a better trader, especially if you're watching these kind of videos, because these are pretty boring videos. But yeah, again, drop any questions, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.